Good morning. This is All India Radio Kohima. The morning news read by Jonas Yantan. Union government has approved new guidelines for the Micro and Small Enterprises Cluster Development Programme. The guidelines will be implemented during the 15th Finance Commission cycle. The scheme aims at enhancing the competitiveness and productivity of micro and small enterprises through interventions in common facility centres and infrastructure development. Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises said that government grants for common facility centres will be restricted to 70% of the cost of the project from 5 crore rupees to 10 crore rupees and 60% of the cost of the project from 10 crore rupees to 30 crore rupees. It said, however, that for Northeast and the Hill states, including island territories and aspirational districts, the grant will be given 80 and 70% of the cost of the project as per different project cost ranges. World Health Organization has said that countries should take quick steps to contain the spread of monkeypox and share data about their vaccine stockpiles. Director for Global Infectious Hazard Preparedness, Sylvia Bryan, told this during a technical briefing for member states at the UN agency's annual assembly. Monkeypox is a usually mild viral infection that is endemic in parts of West and Central Africa. It spreads mainly through close contact and until the recent outbreak was rarely seen in other parts of the world. Europe, the United States and other areas has raised alarm over monkeypox. So far, there are about 300 confirmed or suspected cases in and around 20 countries. Currently, WHO officials are advising against mass vaccination, instead suggesting targeted vaccination where available for close contact of people infected. Nagaland will be experiencing isolated heavy rainfall in the coming days. Nagaland State Disaster Management Authority (NSTMA) in a release stated that there may be heavy rainfall from today till 31st of May all over the state. However, a thunderstorm accompanied with lightning and gusty winds is very likely to occur in certain pockets in the districts of Kohima, Woka, Kifre, Mukokchung, Tuensang, Mon and Longling during this period. NSTMA urged the public to be vigilant during the monsoon period. The public are also requested not to shelter under large trees or picnic near river banks to prevent unnecessary risk to life from lightning and flash floods. Further, NSDMA requested all the DDMAs and line departments responsible for attending to emergencies caused by natural calamities to be on alert and save lives and properties during this monsoon period. Patkai Christian College PCC Autonomous co-founder Margaret Ann Shishak passed away at a private hospital in Dimapur yesterday after a prolonged illness. She was 80 and survived by her husband, Reverend Dr. Dwesam A. Shishak, co-founder and principal emeritus of the PCC, 3 sons and 3 daughter-in-laws, 2 grandsons and 2 granddaughters. Chief Minister Nipiro expressed grief over the passing away of Margaret Ann Shishak. In a condolence message, Rio said Margaret Ann Shishak does not need an introduction to the people of Nagaland, as she has already become a legendary figure in our state. Rio said a void created by her death would be difficult to fill. He, however, saluted her for her extraordinary contributions to the Naga society, adopting Nagaland as her home. The Chief Minister conveyed condolences to the bereaved family, the PCC fraternity, and all the alumni of the college. Deputy Chief Minister Y. Button, in his condolence message, said, "The demise of Margaret Shishak is a great loss for us all." Button said she will forever remain one of the most influential figures for the Nagas and her contributions to the educational spheres. Meanwhile, the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister have also condoled over the sudden and untimely passing away of retired Principal Director, Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Gevichusa Medikra, on May 26. Kohima Town Club, the organizers of the ongoing Kohima Super Cup 2022, and Kohima Press Club will be organizing the 3rd Xavier Rutsa Memorial Trophy tomorrow at IG Stadium, Kohima. The event, a friendly football match between the two clubs, is organised as a tribute to late Xavier Roza, who was one of the founding members of both the clubs. That is all we have in this morning news bulletin. Have a good day.